Every second on the road counts, and having the right dash cam with night vision can make all the difference. In this video, we're examining the top 5 dash cams that excel in low light conditions and offer superior protection for your vehicle. Find links to all products in the description below. Make sure to subscribe for more vehicle tech reviews. Starting at number 5, let's examine the VIOFO A119 Mini 2. This compact powerhouse features Sony's STARVIS 2 IMX675 sensor, delivering crystal clear 2K footage at 60 frames per second. And you know what's interesting? The camera's mini design makes it practically invisible behind your rearview mirror. If you're concerned about video quality, this camera produces stunningly clear footage, especially during nighttime driving. Actually, the DOL HDR technology balances bright and dark areas remarkably well, particularly useful when driving through tunnels or facing oncoming headlights. Because of its 7G glass f1.6 aperture lens, you'll capture license plates clearly even in challenging lighting conditions. During our testing in rainy conditions, the camera maintained exceptional clarity, with droplets barely affecting visibility. I do appreciate the voice control feature, which lets you lock videos or take photos without taking your hands off the wheel. When it comes to installation, the compact size means you won't need to worry about obstructing your view. The mounting system is robust, though in extreme heat, you might want to check the adhesive periodically. You know what deserves mention? The supercapacitor design handles temperature fluctuations better than traditional batteries, making it more reliable in varying climates. The only consideration is that it tends to run warm during operation, something to keep in mind for long-term durability. Key features worth noting: 2K resolution at 60 frames per second, Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, voice control capability, 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, advanced parking mode. Moving to number 4, the AZDOME 4K Wi-Fi dash cam brings dual camera functionality to your vehicle. When it comes to installation, you'll find the process straightforward, with plenty of cable length for most vehicles. Actually, the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi capability stands out, transferring large video files to your phone in seconds rather than minutes. If you're looking for comprehensive coverage, this system records both front and rear views simultaneously. The 4K front camera captures incredible detail, while the 1080p rear camera ensures you don't miss anything behind your vehicle. During our nighttime testing, we noticed excellent performance in various lighting conditions, from city streets to unlit highways. The built-in GPS adds another layer of protection, accurately tracking your route and speed. You know what's particularly impressive? The night vision performance exceeds expectations, especially with its advanced sensors working together. In real-world scenarios, the camera handles sudden light changes remarkably well, like when entering or exiting tunnels. Because of its dual camera setup, installation requires some planning for cable routing, but the included clips make this manageable. Standout features: 4K front plus 1080p rear recording, built-in GPS tracking, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for rapid file transfers, 24-hour parking surveillance, 3.18-inch IPS display screen. Next up at number 3, the Vantrue N2 Pro transforms the way we think about dual-lens dash cams. Because of its specialized interior infrared recording, it's become a favorite among rideshare drivers. Actually, the front camera captures the road ahead with impressive clarity at 170 degrees, while the interior camera monitors your cabin with a 140-degree field of view. During extensive nighttime testing, we found the infrared system particularly effective at capturing clear interior footage without disturbing passengers. The infrared night vision technology absolutely shines in complete darkness, ensuring clear footage of your vehicle's interior, regardless of lighting conditions. You know what makes this unique? The ability to switch to single-channel 2.5K recording when you don't need the interior view. In urban environments, the camera excels at capturing street signs and license plates, even in challenging lighting conditions. If you're concerned about storage, it handles up to 256 GB cards with ease, using intelligent loop recording to manage your footage. The temperature resistance from -4 degrees to 158 degrees Fahrenheit means it performs reliably in virtually any climate. Essential features: dual 1080p recording, infrared interior camera, 24-hour parking monitoring, 256 gigabytes storage support, temperature-resistant design. Taking the second spot, the ROVE R2-4K delivers exceptional performance in both day and night conditions. Actually, this model stands out with its revolutionary super night vision technology, combining a 6-glass lens with an f1.5 aperture. If you're driving at night, you'll notice the difference immediately. License plates and road signs remain clear and legible even in minimal lighting. During our testing in various weather conditions, the camera maintained consistent quality, particularly impressing us during twilight hours. The built-in Wi-Fi 6 capabilities make accessing and sharing footage absolutely seamless. Because of its 150-degree viewing angle, you'll capture nearly everything happening in front of your vehicle. In urban environments, the camera excels at balancing bright city lights with darker areas. I do appreciate the emergency video lock feature, which automatically secures footage during incidents. When it comes to temperature management, the supercapacitor design handles extreme conditions admirably. You know what's worth mentioning? The supercapacitor design handles extreme temperatures better than traditional batteries, though the power cable positioning might need some attention in hot climates. Notable features: 4K Ultra HD recording, built-in Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, GPS tracking included, 150-degree wide-angle view, support for 512 gigabyte storage. Finally, our top choice. The REDTIGER F7NP represents the pinnacle of dash cam technology. When it comes to night vision capabilities, this model sets new standards with its ultra-large f1.5 aperture and sophisticated 6-layer lens system. Actually, the dual camera setup provides unmatched coverage, recording in 4K at the front and 1080p at the rear. Our testing in varying light conditions revealed exceptional performance, particularly during challenging dawn and dusk periods. If you're particular about video quality, you'll be impressed by how it handles challenging lighting conditions. From direct sunlight to complete darkness, the 170-degree front viewing angle captures everything you need without distortion. During highway driving, the image stabilization keeps footage smooth and clear, even on rough roads. Because of its built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, managing and sharing footage becomes effortless through the dedicated app. The parking mode proved particularly effective in our testing, capturing clear footage of even minor incidents. I do appreciate the 24-hour parking surveillance feature, though you'll need a hardwire kit to use it. In terms of durability, the camera performed consistently through multiple weather conditions, from heavy rain to intense heat. You know what makes this stand out? The combination of premium features at a competitive price point, backed by excellent customer support and an 18-month warranty. Premium features: 4K front plus 1080p rear recording, superior night vision with f1.5 aperture, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, 170-degree front viewing angle, 24-hour parking surveillance. These dash cams represent the best options for night vision recording in 2024. The REDTIGER F7NP takes our top spot by offering the perfect balance of features, performance, and value.